ARINS is a very high precision inertial measurement unit. We use this to know the direction that the camera is pointed. By attaching it to the base of the camera, we know precisely within 1/100th of a degree of where this camera is pointed. The ARINS has a very intuitive user interface. By looking through their web browser, we can set all of our offsets, and through their data interface, we can get in real time the orientation of this inertial measurement unit. The ARINS makes it very easy to tie in our GPS information into the ARINS. We have an antenna that's located at the top of the helicopter. That gives us accuracy to 2 centimeters. By knowing where this ARINS is, we can compute where the center of this camera is and then build a camera model to know where all the objects are in the view of the camera. We know where the race boats are with GPS on the race boats, and so now we can use augmented reality to place the lines on the water, flags on the boats. And it's all because of the accuracy of this ARINS.
We use a thing called a FINS, which is an inertial navigation system. Basically, it tells you exactly where the boat is, what orientation the boat's got, and what motions the boat's got at any moment at very high frequency and at very high accuracy. Back in 2003, the compasses were so hopeless that they couldn't really do the job they were being asked of them in a moving platform with the boat heeling and such. They were inaccurate. And when you go to fiber-optic gyro technology, it's breathtaking how accurate these things are. I mean, they're down to 1/100th of a degree. Previous accuracy was like plus or minus 2 degrees. We tried all sorts of different devices, and finally we invested in some products from XBlue. We got an octans compass. We still use that same device 14 years later. It was a breakthrough for us then, and to be honest, in these boats, these high-speed catamarans that we're sailing now, the levels of accuracy has gone up 10 times from previous cups. So these days we need 1/10th of a degree, sometimes we need 1/100th of a degree accuracy. Suddenly we need these pieces of equipment to get the job done. That's what we rely on the FINS and the octans products for on the boat.
We turn this on every day, we run it all day long, and it just continues to be accurate all day long. We've been using this device for 5 years now without any failures. It's in this harsh environment, we're out in the weather, the high vibration of the helicopter, and it just withstands it flawlessly.
We've capsized, done a number of things with these things on the boat, and sometimes they even get a little bit of an immersion underwater, and they're incredibly robust, incredibly strong. And like I say, we're still using one of the units that we bought in 2003, 14 years later, still going strong. High-speed data is what we're really become about with these high-speed boats, and you know, the FINS octans do a great job of that.